regular books,
These are Csec art journals.
arts workfly.
Here are a few Csec journals, some examples of the covers.
What they plan to do soon is to upload these on a system so that they can be marked. Journaling is a great way to keep track of your drawing process and your artworks, and even bring to an art college or university. I would recommend that you start an art journal from the day you realized you loved art. If not, you can start the first day of art class, or grade 9, or even grade 7.
This is 34 centimeters and this one is 40. There are a few ways that you can make your journal. You can make it flip up, flip to the side, or you can make the journal out of the shape of your theme. Say your theme is flowers, you can make the journal cover as the shape of a flower. Some ideas for the journal, the Csec journal covers are: you can draw your own artwork and then you put the heading at the top, or you can do something like a textured background then you cut and paste your theme on it. I'm not too liking this one unless it's your own artwork on it. This one you can cut and paste your theme over on the cover. This person painted his background and cut and paste his theme. Cover is taped down. You can't see that shiny glare there. It's taped, so you can always tape down your covers. You can put the pages together by using the spiral to the sides, or you can do the sew-in method, or you can use the binder.
I am not really a fan of the binder. It's best that you make it yourself.
Also use wool.
Using the wool is a similar process as using the ring binder. Instead of using the binder, you use the wool to strap and tighten the pages together.
The sew-in method. What you need to do, let's say these are your pages, you fold them together like that, and then you use either a compass to make holes in it, or find something sharp that can make the holes,
and sew it, preferably using the running stitch. The pages are more manageable to sew in groups of 3. When all the groups are completed, use glue between each of them.
for the gluing at the sides here, what you need to do, put your pages together like this, put glue here, put a page on it, glue again, put a page on it, glue again, put a page on it, and then you have your spiral here. What you would do, you would go to maybe a computer place or anywhere that does a spiral binding, and go ahead, let them do it for you.
Inside the journal, there are a number of things that should be included, such as the introduction, examples of theme, definition of theme, reason for selecting the theme, definition of expressive forms, history of expressive forms, picture of artist, artist biography, reason for selecting the artist, critique of artist works, comparison between the artist work and personal work, then repeat for the second artist. Then you're going to have personal artworks, preliminary artworks, reflective statement, artist statement, glossary, and the bibliography. The preliminary works can be folded like this or like that. Not enough pages in your journal? Then do this. Ensure to take pictures of your processes and document them. Do not throw away your artworks.
You can also display the materials that you use and what you did to get to a specific point, like the stencil here, and using the the grid system to get the letters.
Another video will be done to cover specific details in the journal. If you are an art teacher, leave your comments below and let me know what you do differently so that the information can be added in another video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell for more videos like these. Thank you for watching. Bye. Love you guys. Remember to do your homework.